This bread is super easy because you don't need to knead it. You just mix everything, let it rise, and bake it. I start by adding 180 ml of milk. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil, egg. Before starting, I slightly warmed up the milk just to speed up the bread's fermentation. One tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. And 1 small grated zucchini. We grate the zucchini with the skin on, but when we get to the core, which is softer and more fibrous, we discard it, so we're only going to use the outer part. Then we also squeeze it well with our hands to drain the liquid, or you can use a strainer and press the grated zucchini in the strainer to drain it. Now I add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Half a tablespoon of dry yeast. And 1/3 cup of a fiber blend. Here you can use any combination of grains and seeds you want. I'm using flaxseed, chia, oats, and quinoa. Now I mix it well and put it in the pan, which is greased with olive oil, in a very warm place. It can be inside the microwave, inside the turned off oven, or even in the sun if the weather is good where you live. Now the important thing is for the dough to double in size. It doesn't matter how long that takes because depending on the weather, it can vary from half an hour to 2.5 hours. Now that my dough has already risen, I'm going to put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 45 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like light and tasty recipes, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.